All right, good Wednesday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Curtis Grebnitz here inside. Katie is outside looking for the eclipsed moon. A lunar eclipse going on here, and got a picture. Hey, share some pictures if you are able to see the lunar eclipse. Throw them on our Facebook page. You could email them, news@ktvh.com. But there is the blood part of the super blue blood moon, the reddish orangish color here. The moon doesn't completely disappear. It turns that reddish color as some light still comes around the earth and kind of makes for that reddish color out there. But if you are about ready to head outside, not terribly cold air temperature wise, 26 in the Electric City, but when you factor in the wind, we've got a wind chill factor, 14 degrees, and in the capital you can start to see a little light here on the horizon. It's 30 degrees. It's only 2 degrees below the freezing point. However, feels more like 19 as winds have been gusting between 15 and 25 miles per hour this morning. Around the state, temperatures generally in the 20s. As cold as 3 degrees above zero in West Yellowstone, and just to the north of Glasgow, there's an Arctic boundary that is beginning to spill southward out of Canada here into the northern part of the state. A couple little flakes of snow are coming down off of the Continental Divide. We had a few flakes on the west side of the Helena Valley earlier this morning. Careful heading up over the mountain passes. And also in between Fort Benton, Big Sandy up through Havre around Loma, some snow. Rocky Boy picking up a little snow as well, and some snow showers light here into the northeast part of the state with the Arctic boundary that is slipping southward, and a few heavier snow showers further toward the west, and that prompted the National Weather Service out of Missoula to issue a winter weather advisor there. I'm going to show you the big picture here, and we've got a complicated setup here to say the least, with Arctic air moving in from the north, warmer air coming in from the south. We've got several days of snow in the forecast here that will impact your weekend all the way into next week. Still some snow here into parts of the state. How much snow? By about Sunday morning, a lot of the state, especially north central Montana and the mountains, will pick up a hefty accumulation. Now here's the forecast for today. Cold front continues to move southward. We'll see a few snow showers here along this front for Thursday. Colder air coming in northeast Montana, some parts north of Glasgow may not even get above zero. It's fairly quiet on Thursday compared to what will happen on Groundhog Day on Friday. Looks like whack-a-mole right there, but a little mix of some rain and snow, and Saturday is a very snowy day here for a lot of the state. There's the 7-day forecast, and for the Electric City you can see that temperature going kind of all over the place, a little wacky. You're in the 30s the next few days, as cold as 2 below Saturday night, and then warming back up above the freezing point for Sunday and Monday before the high goes back down below the freezing point for Tuesday. And for the capital, warm Friday, 45 degrees for Groundhog Day, but at night a cold front should come through. We'll go over to some snow.
Yeah. Super
Bowl weekend looking super sloppy.
Looks like the groundhog will at least think about coming up at that point in the morning.
45, yeah.
It's going back for the weekend now. All right, Curtis, thanks.